Hi, my name's Jenny and I'm doing a bag review of the Michael Kors Jet Set Medium Pebbled Leather Crossbody. Now, in my last video I did one pretty much the same kind of bag, but it was in the coated canvas and it only had one main compartment, where then this one has two. So it has a front pocket. In the first, I guess, main compartment, it has the card slots, and then, you know, comes all the way down to the bottom. And then in the second one, there is an extra pocket, and then that compartment that goes all the way down as well, with a back pocket. It does come with an adjustable leather strap with chains, which I think the gold leather, or the gold harbor, is very beautiful. The pink leather, I'm not one for pink, but this is like kind of a muted pink, I should say. Now let me show you how I have it packed up. So in the front pocket, I have my hand sanitizer and my AirPod case. And then in the first main compartment, I have a small piece from small be organized that piece from Jujube. Has my blotting sheets, breath mints, lotion, and my chapstick. And then in the second compartment, there's my wallet in the back pocket, and this is from Loungefly Disney collab. It's the Lilo and Stitch. And then there is also my custom pouch that I made, which is just all I would need, you know, like a med pouch. And then in the back pocket, I have hand sanitizing wipes, or sanitizer wipes, in a mini wipe pouch. And like I said, this is probably the same size as the other Michael Kors bag I reviewed. It was the Jet Set Medium Crossbody as well, so it measures about 6 by 8 by 2.5. And then this one I got on their sale section, luckily, on the online store, for a little over $100 as well. Until next time, thanks for watching.